Start.
Alright, so good morning. I started to fix this yesterday, and then we got a torrential downpour, so I did the old garbage bag trick. But what's going on here is the window slides up and down in between these tracks by a window regulator, like a lifting and lowering device. And it's attached to that device through these holders, or like little channel holders, and the glass slides in between there. But it's not a clamp, it's some sort of super glue in there that glues this to the glass, sort of like so. And you put it in the right spot and you bolt it to the window regulator, and you put some more new glue in there, because the old glue, I've tried to clean that out as best as I can, and I'm going to use this steel epoxy. I've done the other window on the other side, so I know it works for so long. But I just took the window out of the door, took the old epoxy off the old window, kind of like so, and it goes up and down, and then this broke. So the window went cockeyed. There's two of these in there. One on this side, one on that side. That side stayed on, this side let go. So the window went up and down and turned all sideways. So now I'm just trying to fit the window in the side rails, the guides or rails, and then I'll be reattaching this right here, and then this bolt goes into that hole there, and voila, Bob's your uncle. But right now I gotta catch my breath, because I'm always out of breath now since my accident. I get stream, whoop, and I don't want to break the window either. And it's not working. Sometimes when things aren't working for me, I'm better off just walking away. You know what I'm saying? And starting fresh later on. I think I might have it. That appears to be the spot. I do. Although it's not in the right position for the regulator. So I gotta get the keys to play with the switch to move the regulator down, so that bolt hole where the bolt goes is basically in the middle of that black spot of the glass, which it's not right now. Or does it slide? Oh, it does slide, that's right. So that's all we gotta do, is just put that in the right spot, like so. So I think it's time that I go mix up some epoxy. I'm gonna bolt that in there first, back on, and I'll fill the groove with the channel there with epoxy. But I got to reattach this end. I'll put that bolt in first. She's getting bright. I might need my shades. There's one of the little bolts here, and it's not lining up on the bolt hole over here. I should have finished the job yesterday. Well, I didn't. There. There. But don't move. You're not going to stay there for me, are you? I had it. Nope. It's fucking working. Could be doing it. Everybody. That's what I'm talking about. Now, as I catch my breath, bolt that back in, then I can just lift the window up when I got the epoxy all mixed, half an inch or so. I've degreased it. And then I roll the window up all the way, and it's a 5-minute epoxy. I'm gonna go get a little spatula. It comes with a little spatula. Probably use the cardboard on the back. I don't have my little rubber gloves. I gotta get some rubber gloves. You don't want this stuff on your fingers. Sets up pretty good. An A part, and you wanna. They got a little hole in there. You can puncture the tube. Don't tell me I got a dead tube. Nope. The whole tube. These are really small ones. For a long time until you add the other part to it. Then you get a chemical reaction. Makes it kick off and start to harden really fast. I think if you really know what you're doing, you can differentiate or do different ratios for different outcomes. Maybe you need a little flexibility in your bond, or maybe you want it super hard. It's gonna start to bubble and smoke and steam, hiss here probably. Put some good vapor into my lungs. I must have poked a little wee tiny hole in there because it's. I don't really want to. And start the clocks here. Stinky. Stinky. Put this aside. Oh, can't bend over. Fucking lung. Can you hold the window up there, baby? Then I'm just gonna fill the channel best I can. Try and pack it in there. It's gonna ooze out the sides, obviously. Let her go, baby. Let her go. She's squirting out all over the sides. You know she's happy when she's squirting. Ooh, I was going to catch it, but I didn't. Just gonna put the remainder here. But that will get both front and back. And I think it says it sets up in 5 minutes, but then what I normally do is I usually roll the window right to the top, close the car door, let her get good and hot. But I will go get the keys, baby. Always seems to be something. A friend of mine, like he says, is it's not when it's gonna break down again. When? Who knows? That sounds good. It sounds like it's in the track properly. There, she's up there. So I could put the door panel back together. I'm probably going to. Just all that black sticky tar stuff. Always makes a fine mess of everything. I'm not too concerned about it, but voila, that's good, Killer Bee. Good, good. Yeah, I get the door panel. Voila. Bob's your uncle. I gotta put this away so I can have my seat back. Oh, hopefully the wind don't blow it all over the fucking place. I think it's easier to put this on when the window's down or up. Yeah, some difficulty. Oh. Why? Isn't lucky less getting lucky? That wiretap. Oh! Pop all the poppers in. Yeah. Nope. I think it was that way. What screw went in there? Or is it? Oh, maybe. Looks like the holes all line up. If that goes there, yeah, maybe. Uh-huh.
Beer.
It is 5 o'clock somewhere, though. Don't let the lady fool you. These little plastic thingy digs. I think so. Little plastic screws, you gotta like them. Plastic threads, right? I think that's it, folks. One electrical connection. When I got it back from the air conditioning store, those freaks, they never had this connected properly, so it unplugged. Did it even work? I don't think it did. This is a screwless. Ta-da! So I'm not going to move that window up or down. We're missing a piece of trim up here. We're aware of that. I was mad yesterday. I took a break. I was asked to take a break, and I should have ignored it, and it would have been done already. But I'm glad I because it's done now. What did maybe 20 minutes. Let's go into that garbage. And I hope you're all having a good day. It's Sunday, fun day. Might go. You filming still, baby? Might do the Chicken Olympics here later on. As you can tell, the back's still sore, but I'm toughing her out, man. I don't have a choice. Got to get her done. Thanks for watching. Leave a nasty sarcastic garbage bag. Can resist the urge to puke. The fumes off that glue aren't too bad. You know what I'm saying. See the new purchase we got here yesterday by the Lazada guy? Our new order that we made for the last week is not a laser beam solar guitar or nothing, but it's a solar fan. It's going to help out a lot with power outages. Because we get them here. Clean up my bit of a mess. I took the window in here and I degreased it, washed it, chipped. Gotta put these things away. Our little area. Yeah. She's tight, but we make it work. Who doesn't like tight things, right? On the radio there, TV. Sorry to breathe, man. I got my Ventolin machine here. Lose wind real easy when I bent over like that. And the air's clean right now up here. I don't know how long I got. I'm gonna try and enjoy every day, every minute. And yeah, the car needs new boots. We might put boots on it and put her up for sale. It drives nice, it does. The little things are always breaking on it, it seems. It just turned 106,000 K. But I've replaced lots of goodies on it. Radiators, alternators, water pumps, oxygen sensors, wheel bearing assemblies, coils, spark plugs. Re-glued the windows. It has one faulty window switch right now. But it is what it is. It's Toyota. Turn the key, she runs. I'm banging on all four. We don't really need it. It's like Beverly and I, we don't miss each other unless we're not here together. It's like the car, we don't need it. Unless it's raining, then we need the car. So other if it ain't raining, I don't need it. I take the bike. I like the air's better, the comfort on shorter trips for me is better. The car can be comfortable. You got to park in the shade, you lay the seat back, then I'm comfortable. But driving it, it's not comfortable. And my photographer's smiling at me. which is always nice to see. Don't confuse that for nothing else. It's just nice to see a beautiful girl smiling at you with a twinkle in her eyes. Isn't that nice? Yeah. But I think I need a break from the camera there, Killer Beat. Thanks. Bye bye. Peace out.